Hello and welcome to yet another exciting 2-Minute Tuesday. Today I have a really good one for you guys because a lot of people don't even know this is possible out of the box with Dynamics 365, and I'm talking about pen control. I'm talking about the ability to capture a signature for a record in Dynamics 365. Now, this works for any record in the system, but the requirements typically come from, hey, look, we need to capture the signature of the client accepting the deal, like when we're on site. A lot of people that have salespeople that go on site, a lot of companies have salespeople that go on site, with tablets or a phone, and they want to capture a signature from someone agreeing to the repair or agreeing to the deal or whatever it is. Or it happens also with field service where people want to capture a signature, and yeah, the field service out of the box app does that, but if you're not using that app or if you're using your own kind of simplified version of field service, you can still collect that signature to essentially allow the person accepting the repair that you did. Or if you're delivering something, this is a great example of companies like UPS and DHL and FedEx. When you get a package delivered, they give you like a little tablet and you sign on it, right? You sign on the screen. It's a digital signature, and that requirement doesn't come up all the time, but it does come up often. And there's a super easy way to resolve that, and once again, it's called pen control. So let's start the countdown and let's go. So in here, I already started some things for us. I'm going to try to stick to the 2 minutes this time around. I created a field called Approved By. All right, and that field is a multiple lines of text field. So I'm going to add that field into a section within my form. So let me open the field and kind of show you what that field is. Just super quick here. We're going to go into the details. I'm going to remove the label. We don't need that anymore. Let me go to the details right here and show you what this field looks like. So as you can see, some multiple lines of text, and out of the box, multiple lines of text have 2,000 character limit, but I added one more zero because 2,000 characters won't be enough to capture the metadata behind the scenes for the image. So let me click now on controls, and here's where the magic happens. I'm going to add a control. I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom and select pen control, and you can already tell this is pretty awesome. Pretty awful signature, but this is exactly what we want. So we're going to go ahead and click add. We're going to enable this thing on the web client, the phone client, and the tablet client. Click OK. All looks good. Well, that's too small. Let's go and open the formatting here. Let's increase the size. Let's say this is 10 rows. Boom, big box. Awesome. Love it. Go into save, and then we're going to publish this section. By the way, while it's publishing, I want to tell you that as you saw, this works great whether you're using the web client on the unified interface, whether you're using the mobile client or the tablet client. It works great on all of them. So boom, we're done with that. Let's go ahead and hit refresh here. And again, whether you're using any client, obviously this is more suited for a tablet or a phone, I think, because of the touch screen. You can give them even one of those styluses or whatever, so the signature is better. But I'm gonna make my best attempt to write Gus right here with my track pad. So let's see how that goes. Oh God, well, that looks horrible. Anyway, smiley face, just so to make you smile even more, because I bet you're impressed with this amazing tip. Again, I bet you didn't even know Dynamics does this, and this works great on any client, anywhere, any entity. It's awesome. I hope you enjoyed the tip this week, and we'll see you next week.